Reimagine is our roadmap for the future. A sustainability-rich strategy that delivers our vision to be the proud creators of the most desirable, modern luxury brands for the most discerning of clients. It's about becoming carbon net zero by 2039. It's about our house of brands: Range Rover, Defender, Discovery, and Jaguar. Truly differentiated, global brand worlds that embrace our modernist design philosophy and are emotionally compelling and unique. Brands that will deliver our all-electric future. It's about enhancing our clients' experiences through pioneering technology and digital services, working with global startups and scale-ups to harness new thinking and opportunities. It's about partnering with innovators in their field, strategic collaborations that allow us to lead, not follow. Reimagine is underpinned by our internal refocus transformation, bringing positive change to every corner of our company. People are the soul of our business, the ones living the exceptional, creating proudly, with purpose and in unity. Together, we are JLR.